So in this video I would like to talk about something that has troubled me for a lot of years. It's an allergy called as post-nasal drip. There are different kinds of asthma which are prevailing. Many people are suffering from asthma and many respiratory disorders basically. And I was no less, I was also one of them who suffered for it for the longest time. And I went to the best of the doctors. I would take the treatment in Bombay and I would show at the best of the hospitals and get all my reports done. And I had to take inhalers, I had to take steroids, I had to also take antacids and everything just to bring it in under control. But when I started doing my yogasanas and yoga practice with Swati, so Swati Joshi saw my reports and she said that Deepa, you continue what you are doing, but I feel that let us work on your upper respiratory tract and let us focus on your breathing. And she gave me certain exercises, I mean not exercises is a wrong word, certain yoga practices that I started following, and I did them as a ritual, religiously I would do them regularly. And I realized that when the season from October, November onwards up to February, the Uttarayan time, when post Diwali up to Uttarayan, I used to suffer. I used to keep sitting the whole night. I could not sleep. I used to just get choked, and it used to be, I mean, it was the most pathetic time of my life, I can say. And those steroids would increase my weight, there used to be bloating, there used to be sleepless nights, or then I used to sleep off at odd hours. And it was a cycle that I was going through, and I didn't know how to put an end to this suffering. But as I started doing my yoga practices religiously, I realized that the season came and went, and I did not have need to take a single steroid or go to Bombay, show to my doctor, take any nasal spray or any antacid or any sleeping tablet so that I can sleep through the night. And slowly I realized that for years that I was breathing through only one of the nostrils. That went away. When it went away, I cannot say that okay, this was a time when it went away. While doing yogasanas, I realized with Swati, small issues which I thought are a part of my body and these will not change and this is how it normally is, changed. And my day-to-day life, I have become a little more in sync or a little more at ease with my own self. And that I think, you can run to a therapist, you can take counseling and you can do this and that, every possible thing. But yoga by itself, yoga brings you in so much balance. All your systems, hormones or whatever you are doing, it comes so much in balance that your personality comes in complete sync with your body. And that radiates the kind of happiness or increase in productivity or increase in your happiness levels or your happy hormones or whatever you call it. But personally I would like to thank Swati that this my consistently, of course I want to thank myself for being very consistent at it, but in the end the result is what I feel made a lot of difference. And there is a long way to go, there is a lot one needs to achieve, and I'm on the way to exploring myself further. But thank you so much, Swati, and 3 cheers to Swati Yogashala. Keep doing it.